A lot of the time, I feel anxious, hoping we can beat the clock to safely get this person out.
It originally would take 1 to 2 hours to manually deliver life-saving equipment to the front line like AEDs and life detectors. Now, with DJI Flycart 30, in as little as 4 to 5 minutes, usually even less, we can get this equipment to the patients.
Each rescue operation requires coordination between departments. We are an urban search and rescue team, mainly doing earthquake rescue. In collapsed areas where we can't get through, we have to use other tools for assistance. If we use drones, it could be a matter of 10 minutes.
Especially with helicopters, we coordinate with them for air-to-air operations. Compared to helicopters, the delivery drone is cheaper to operate and is more flexible, especially when selecting takeoff and landing sites, as well as effectively using the airspace, etc. This is very helpful for a volunteer organization like ours.
After a successful rescue, the main feeling is a sense of relief. We feel that our efforts have not been wasted and that our considerations did not delay the rescue. At this moment, we feel a little more at ease.